Okay, we're going to work this problem in our math journal. We're going to find the LCM, or least common multiple, of 6 and 10. So go to your math journal, and we're going to find the least common multiple of 6 and of 10. And so our first multiple of 6 is 6. And then 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. And we know that this list can go on forever. So we'll just stop there. And if we need to, we can always come back and add more. All right, our first multiple of 10 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. And then we can see that would be the first number that they have in common. So that makes it the least. So the least common multiple of 6 and 10 is 30.